Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another GANZO knives, tools, Firebird. You all know it by now, rebranding, using the both names, whatever. Excellent company, value wise, budget and offerings, everything, material wise also, stepping up the game. They are using on lots of new blades, D2, and this one is the F7551 in carbon fiber. So I did looked up this new model and I wanted to check out or should I say the first cleaver style GANZO. You know what you get with the GANZOs: pouch, silica gel. Nice. Okay, so here we have the meat and potatoes of this review. And for some people this is a hideous knife. We'll open it up. It looks, yeah, like a small butcher's cleaver, but I wanted to get one, to check it out, to experience the finish and probably mostly the ergonomics. Sorry for that. The ergonomics, because as you can see, this is how you grip the knife, and the cleaver blade has this upswept geometry. So usually if you would design a kitchen folder or kitchen knife, you will have it like this. So the handle should be like this. So this is a negative angle, and this will be not very good to using in the kitchen, because let's say this is a let's use the box. Okay, I will demonstrate. If you are cutting something and using all the blade length, you will have to angle up your hand like this, and this is really uncomfortable angle working in the kitchen. You can, of course, but why would you? If this would be a, let's say, fiddling knife, then there is no problems. Also, let's say a self-defense slasher, okay, no problems. You have reinforced tip, really nice. You can probably defend yourself with it. But as the intention should be a kitchen utensil or kitchen knife, I don't know if the designers did calculate it, the angles and and the shape right. Also, if you can see, because of the large portions, it looks that the handle is much larger than the blade. The specifications wise, you have a 20 centimeter oval length or 7.87 inches. The handle is 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches, and the blade length is 7.5 centimeters. Depending where you're measuring it, I will explain. 7.5 centimeters or 2.95 inches, so under 3 inch, is only the cutting edge. So from here to here, measured right here. Okay. But if you are measuring from the ricasso, so from the start of the handle, so from here to here, it is 8.5 inches, sorry, 8.5 centimeters or 3.35 inches. So you could have potential troubles if you are in a jurisdiction where under 3-inch blade requirement is necessary. You could explain the officer or the law enforcer, then The cutting edge is under 3 inch, but I don't know if they will accept it. Good luck with that. So just keep that in mind. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters stock or 0.12 inches, and the blade width, so the most widest part, so from here to here, is 3.5 centimeters or 1.37 inch. The handle thickness is 8 millimeters without the clip, of course, or 0.3 inches. The weight is 118.6 grams or 0.2 ounces. It features a beautifully blued hardware, so this is excellent work and design from GANZO. Thank you for that, because they could put just standard stainless steel finish on the hardware and also on the thumbstud. This is a step up, or should I say a extra process, which obviously costs a little bit extra more money, but even in the budget offering, excellent to have. Yes, the scales, so the steel inserts, are milled out for weight reduction. Excellent. Another extra step, they have to pay the machines, the people, the electricity, and all these. We have a, I can see, yeah, G10 Back Spacer. And don't get fooled, this is of course like with all, should I say, as I experienced it so far with all GANZO fiber knives, this is a carbon fiber G10 laminate. You can see the separation line around here. This is a little bit lighter, this is more darker, so around here. So let's say 10, maybe 12, I don't know, layers of nice carbon fiber, and then black G10. They offer this model in few color variants. So you have your black, green, orange, and then the CF. The pricing on this model is around $30. Depends on the reseller, depends on some quick sale, some flash sale offers, you know, all the good stuff. Check it out. I will put a link in the description where I bought it, and the G10 version is obviously a little bit cheaper than the carbon fiber. Okay, so now let's see about the application. So, like I mentioned, it could function as a EDC knife, or of course, why not? But I will tell you, I saw some beautiful modifications. If you ask what was modified, obviously I will tell you it's the blade shape. And I saw some really beautiful clip points, sheep's foots, modified sheep's foots, and all sorts of beautiful work that people have done with the knife. So you can still modify the blade if you have a friend, or if you have some kind of tools. Yes, or so. Just release your imagination. So this is a beautiful platform to sculpt your own blade shape. I would say that is, in my imagination, the intent for this knife, to get it and modify it. Yeah, because let's face it, if you can get it for $25 or $20 even, if you have luck, or even $30, and then spend some little bit money to give your friend some few beers and and cut down the blade and then polish it up, then you will have a beautiful, unique blade for, I don't know, under $50, under $40 even. And if you have the tools, then you can also offer this knife to your friends. So it's a beautiful project knife. Yes, it has negative angles right here, but yeah, it is what it is. Blade shape, yes. First cleaver, okay. They done a cleaver. They had to probably. By now, there are only a few blade shapes short to have the whole pantheon of the standard shapes done by now. But they will be there soon. Obviously, fit and finish with Ganzo. Really nice, no problems, good centering. This model features the axis lock, of course, like well known and beloved by lots of users of Benchmade knives. They are the original inventors. The patent has expired. I have to mention it just because the patent expired, so you can use this locking mechanism on the knife. Even if you are starting knife maker, you can use it. Okay. Yeah. Also the two-hand opening is nice. What more should I say? Okay, let's see some comparisons. So here is a Buck Vantage Pro. Strider SNG. Benchmade 940. Osborne. Another Benchmade. This is the large Griptilian. This is a small Griptilian. Skyline from Kershaw. And the P865B from Rake. So yes, obviously I have to mention also that in this price range, so that is around, let's say $30, $25, $30. There are lots of options you can choose from, but you don't have so many options with this blade shape. So therefore, in my opinion, this is a winner for Ganzo, and I hope they will make maybe modifications or a completely new model with similar shaped blade, but more usable for the kitchen. Okay, let's keep it there. If you have any suggestions or comments, please share them with me, with everybody here on the channel. I'm more than happy to reply to you, to answer your questions as soon as I can. And thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.